Hi guys, in I am here in the Kerry Park. Yeah, look at the picnic table. This is so nice. I like it here, guys. Yeah. And look at this. So many picnic table here too that you can. And this one, nice trees. Yeah. Nice picnic table, guys. And you can actually bring your hot dog. Bring your hot dog here. Yeah. And you can cook. Yeah. So nice. That's right, guys. See? There's picnic table here, and this is where you can cook hamburger or hot dog. But it's under construction, I think, right now. Yeah. Look at all the dense trees, guys. Like that big trees. Yeah. Yeah. Look at this. Yeah. Dense trees. Look at the water, guys. And the walkway. This is what I like about Red Deer. There is always a nice little river. Yeah. There you go, guys. So nice. You can actually sit here in the bench here. Yeah. And his companion pup. Yeah, this is donated. Yeah. And this bench too is donated. Yeah. That's right. Every traveler needs a place to rest. That's right. And look at this. We'll rest in here. Yeah. It is so nice, guys. Yeah. See? This is so nice. I'm just resting in here for now. Yeah. This is Kerry Nature Park, guys. Yeah. This is well preserved. Yeah. That's what I like about. Those are playground, I think, for the kids. And that's a garbage can. So you don't litter. No, you don't litter. Yeah. Look at how beautiful that is, guys. Yeah. Yeah, so nice. So nice, guys. Yeah, this is Kerrywood Nature. Yeah. Kerrywood Nature. Kerrywood Nature Walk. Yeah. This is Kerrywood Nature Walk. That's right, guys. Look at that. It's nice. You can actually touch the water if you want with your feet. But it's dirty there probably, so I'm not gonna put my feet in there. Look at these nice flowers, guys. Look at the flowers. Yeah. So nice. I'm just going for a walk, guys. Look at the dense trees. Look, that's a lot of trees in here. That's what I love about Red Deer. There's so many trees in here, guys. Yeah, nice trees. Yeah. This is for the kids to play with. It's a playground. See, that's a playground. And there's people there eating. Yeah. That's a playground. Yeah, guys, I'm just walking in here. Just walking. Yeah. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna say goodbye. Yeah, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, Maria Bicolana. Thank you. Bye-bye.